guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about 30-day challenges because I recently did the mermaid challenge, and if you don't know what that is, it is when you draw a mermaid every day in the month of May. And I did it. I finally completed a 30-day challenge, and oh my gosh, what an adventure. My mermaids are available in my new Etsy shop, which I will link below, but more about that later. If you don't know, hi, I'm Britt, and I'm an illustrator. I also have a full-time job as a graphic designer, so this is my side project trying to make it my full-time job. So yeah, this was me starting that process. So I just have a few thoughts about my journey because it was intense. Going into it, I was super scared because I never have finished a 30-day challenge before. So I was like, holy crap, like I really want to do this. So the first week was great. I actually had a bunch of ideas. I felt super confident and I was like, yeah, I totally got this. And it would only take me maybe an hour or two to do a mermaid. So I would come home from my day job, work out, and go straight into drawing. And it was great. I was loving it.
And you guys, I know exactly how you feel because this is something that I have to deal with.
So I just finished filming my Japan video, and I was able to draw this morning, so it's been a very successful day. And I'm just gonna make some tea and start editing. I am a little ahead on the mermaid challenge, so I don't have to do any more this weekend, but if I have time, I might do another one so I stay ahead, because come Monday, I don't have an illustration. Hi guys, just finished the workout. I felt good, but I had drawn my mermaid challenge for today, Sunday, on Friday. But today's Mother's Day and I changed my mind on what I wanted to do, so I did a sketch this morning and I'm gonna quickly put it in the computer and redo it so I can hopefully post it by 5. And it's 4:15 now. I'll probably be a little late, but that's okay. Hi. So it is a little past 5 and I made it. I was able to finish this piece really quickly. So I think the rest of the night I'm going to edit and then maybe I'll draw another piece just so that I try to keep ahead. Hi guys, it is Tuesday. Just got home from work. It's pouring out and it's really gloomy. But I want to work out and draw some more, so hopefully my productivity stays pretty high. It's actually been kind of hard because there's a lot I want to do this week. John is sick and I just kind of want to just take care of him, but I need to continue the challenge too. But then by the second week I realized that like the laundry was piling up, the dishes were piling up. I kind of missed hanging out with my husband. I really missed hanging out with my husband. And things got a little harder and my ideas started to drift and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. So it's super important that you have real life support, because without my husband, I wouldn't have survived. Like, he picked up the slack so much. He was able to cook a lot of the meals after we got out of work. He did many of the chores that I couldn't really help with because I was so busy. So make sure that you have support because that's just so important. And when you're like crying, not wanting to sit another minute at a computer desk, someone is there to tell you it's going to be okay. It's not going to last forever and you got this. So thank you, babe. Thank you so much for all your help. So apparently when I was at work, the wind was so bad, my window was open and my monitor fell over. And I thought everything was okay, but I opened Photoshop and you can see like this dent it's so annoying. But it's not gonna stop me. I still have to draw. I still have to do it. So then after maybe the second into the third week, that was like my low point. After that, I got back into it, and I was like, yeah, I really got this, and I started experimenting some more, and I realized that you have to kind of set a time limit on how much you spend on the pieces that you're doing because you don't have a lot of time. And I remember not liking a lot of my pieces because they weren't up to par with how I envisioned my art to be. And I felt super embarrassed to post them because they just felt so unfinished and so raw and experimenty, and it just wasn't, I didn't want to show that. But that's okay because that's what these challenges are about. They're about experimentation and learning and trying new things, and I had to come to terms with that. Guys, I just got home and look what I picked up today. Yay! So by the time this video is out, these will already be up on my shop. But look how pretty. Pretty. Oh, for those of you that don't know, I designed a book cover for my friend's debut novel, Banebringer. So this is the front cover, and she said that I could make prints for it, which is super awesome. So definitely go check it out. It's a really good book, so you should read it. And speaking of prints, got a message today from my cousin, and she wants to purchase one of my mermaids, or maybe two. And I just got super excited, and I almost cried at work, because it just makes me so happy, because it's like not fan art, but like my personal art and stuff. So today's Thursday, and I have a lot to do. I need to finish my first Japan vlog, draw tomorrow's Mermaid because I'm going to the movies. I'm gonna finally see Infinity War, and I'm super excited because I keep almost seeing spoilers online. But anyway, so I'm gonna work out, eat, and go to work. Yay! I don't know why I had this thought in my head, but I realized I don't have to draw fan art to be an illustrator, to draw. I felt so free and lifted after this thought. And so when I realized that I can just draw what makes me happy and do pieces that are based off of like places or characters, that's what I want to do. Nothing against people that draw fan art, but for me, I just feel weird about it. So when I realized that I can just do my own thing, it was just like, yes, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to pursue. So right after the challenge ended, I started doing my own original pieces again. I don't know why it didn't hit me before, because even at anime conventions, my original pieces that I had done would sell more than like the characters I had. Like, I don't know why I didn't think that.
I didn't have a live journal. I had a diary in it.
Oh.
Yeah, where you design something and you print it and it is
Organization and checklist were so important for me. I would just write down everything that I needed to do, whether that be the dishes or mailing something or getting my car fixed because my windshield broke. Was that during May? I don't even know. Yeah, lists just helped me so much. I did little sketches a couple days ago of like all of the positions I kind of want to do. So this is my sketch so far of Trapped, and now I'm just gonna redraw it again. I draw them so many times because I like to see my mistakes and redraw it, because the more times you draw, the better you get. So I'm just gonna quickly outline it and then color it. And it's like a little past 9, so I think I'll make it like an hour, longer than I thought, but I think I finally finished. This freaking hand, oh my gosh. I didn't even work on this one really because I just was so frustrated with this one. I don't know, I'm not like super happy about it, but yeah, it's done and I need to go to bed. Pointers, I guess, would be to plan, get ahead, try to be ahead of schedule. So in case something happens or you know that there's going to be a day that you won't be able to draw or write or whatever the challenge is, you have that backup. And make a list and prioritize it so that you know if you are limited on time what you need to do with that precious time that you have. It's going to be hard and stressful. Don't go into it thinking it's going to be super easy because it's not. Things do suffer, like my social life. I didn't hang out with any friends. I didn't like contact anyone. I was literally a hermit. Went to work, came home, worked out, ate the dinner that my husband cooked for me, drew the mermaid, and went to bed. And that was it for the month of May. If there was a family event or something going on, it was mainly during the weekends, but I also was trying to get caught up during the weekends and draw like an extra mermaid to stay caught up because there were a few days that I just couldn't do it. So just keep at it. If you're determined to be okay with experimentation and failing, just go for it. Just do it because it'll be worth it in the end. I felt so accomplished when I was done. Hi. It is the last day, the 31st, and I just got home from work and it seriously drained the crap out of me and I feel so dead. I'm going to make it through. I'm going to do my workout because I wasn't able to do it yesterday. And I have to do one more drawing, one more mermaid. I can do it, but it's so hard. Oh my gosh, with a day job and everything, guys, you just feel so drained some days and you just want to come home and do nothing, especially if you have a creative job, day job. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna do it. I can't believe I did it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna go and sleep forever. I don't know what else to say, but I did it. I finished. I look like crap. That was hard. That was really hard. But I think it was worth it. Definitely worth it. More thoughts later after I sleep and take a break. But I did it. Oh my gosh. I'm happy. I'm really happy that I was able to do it. I still have a lot of work to do. I still have a lot of learning to do, but I know that I can do it because I survived this and it's just gonna go on from here. I probably won't do another 30-day challenge for a couple months. Maybe I'll do Inktober because I've tried that for a few years and I failed, so maybe this year I'll be able to do it. Anyway, if you are interested in one of my mermaids, they're up on my new Etsy shop with my other original pieces that I started doing. So all of my mermaids will be giclée prints, or giclée, I don't know how you pronounce it, but basically they're printed on velvet fine art paper and cut to 5 by 7 inches so you can easily frame them. And I did it myself. I printed and cut them myself, guys, so that was an experience. That was super fun to do. I'm only printing one of each and I really hope that you guys like them. I still have my store envy with my fan art and stuff, but I'm not printing any more of those pieces. So if you want one, get one of them now because they're gonna be gone. They're limited edition now. Yeah, good stuff. Good times. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you are an illustrator or a writer or just have this passion outside of a full-time job, please let me know because I feel like I need to find more people that have a full-time job but also want to start this side business. Thanks for watching, guys. I never know how to end these. I hope this was helpful for people. Yeah. Okay. Till next time. Bye.